Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is Jubilant James channel. For those of you who are actually coming across my channel for the first time, I would plead with you to do well to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button down there so that you get notification each time I drop my video. Okay. A lot of people have been asking me about Alipay account, Alipay account, Alipay account, Alipay account, how they can get a verified Alipay account and be doing their business without paying procurement fee to agents. Okay, basically, I want to address that issue on this video today. First of all, if you are a newbie, if you're a starter, and you are still running your business on a low capital, you don't really need a fully verified Alipay account, in the sense that to get a fully verified Alipay account at the very moment, costs about 55,000 naira, okay, which is approximately 1,000 yuan. Okay, that's RMB. So, and this Alipay account comes with 100,000 RMB transaction limit. So if you need a fully verified Alipay account at the moment, all you need to do is you can chat me up, contact me. You need 55,000 naira, which is approximately 1,000 RMB. Okay, and remember, I said it has 100,000 RMB transaction limit, which means that account can only run transaction worth 100,000 RMB for a year, a whole year. Okay, that's in naira equivalent using the current RMB rate now. That's about 5.3 million naira. So 100,000 multiplied by 53 gives you 5.3 million naira for a year. So if you are not doing up to transactions worth that amount in a year, I think it will not be of any good for you to actually spend 55,000 naira to get a fully verified Alipay account. Mind you, these verified Alipay accounts are not verified with your Nigerian ID cards or Nigerian international passport or whatever. Okay, now for those of you probably who don't have up to that and you are still on a low key, and if you have your international passport, you can actually do all of that as well. You can do that, but the one you do with your international passport, remember, has a limit. It has a limit attached to it, and it can be blocked any day. Okay, because it's not fully verified. For those of you who have actually used it and you are having challenge with it, I'm sure probably you've tested it and you've known the difference. Okay, now, but there's something also I'm doing for newbies too, people who are just new in the business, who are just starting up, with those of them who still have low business capital. So I have a group, a WhatsApp group, where I allow members of the group to do procurement with my own 1688 account. Add your product to cart. Not really necessary newbies, please, not people who are novice in the industry. Please, if you don't know how to use your 1688 account very well, or how to navigate through 1688 platform, please, you are not supposed to be in that group. Okay, so basically the essence of that group is for those who are already in the business, who have been transacting through 1688 and who knows how to navigate through the platform, who don't have the money to actually get a fully verified Alipay account, and who also don't want to be spending money paying procurement agents each time they want to make order. They can use my Alipay, my 1688 account, add their product to cart, add the seller's, the shipper's address, give the seller's instruction, check out, and I will complete the payment at my end, meaning they will just send me the naira equivalent of the total worth of goods they have added to my cart. Okay, that is one way to save those who don't have the money to get Alipay and who don't also have the international passport to get an activated Alipay account. Okay, so they can use this option. But if you need a fully verified Alipay account, I've told you, you can't do it with your Nigerian details, you can't do it with any Nigerian document. It can only be done with a Chinese detail, Chinese bank account, with this bank card. Okay, so if you want to get a fully verified Alipay account, it will only cost you 55,000 naira, and you get a fully verified Alipay account that you can use to run your transaction. And let me just give you a little benefit of this account. Now, like I said, this account has a limit of 100,000 RMB transaction for a whole year. Now, if you do calculation on that using the current rate today, 100,000 multiplied by 53 is 5.3 million. Now, let's assume you are using an agent. For those of you that runs transaction that works up to this amount, let's assume you'll be using procurement agent, and procurement agent charges you 5% of this amount. By the time you run transaction worth up to 5.3 million, multiply, get 5% of 5.3 million, you know what your procurement agent is already making of you, okay, which is about 265,000. 5% of 5.3 million is 265,000 naira. Okay, now if you spend 55,000 to get a fully verified Alipay account, by the time you subtract 55,000 from 265, I'm sure you already have 210,000 profits. Okay, so that is the benefit of having that. But in case you don't have, you have two options which I've given you here, so you choose the one that works for you. In case I will drop my contact below this video, and in case you want to reach me through WhatsApp or through call, do well, reach out to me. Then do well, subscribe, click the notification button. Thank you. See you next week.